part 3 of how to operate a mamod steam engine properly. This is the shutting down procedure. So what you do first, you find something to honk the whistle with because it's hot and release all the pressure off. It does hurt your ears a touch at first, but eventually dies itself out. Like that. You want to make sure your fire's out. Leave that to sit for just a sec because it is hot. You'd want to, I'll grab the pliers, back a sec. Because apart from the start, it is, plugs would be a bit hot. So wherever you want to drain the oil, I don't mind just there. You'd use the plugs, you'd unscrew them. Some engines, like some locos, have drain cocks, others don't. Quickly grab that and move that out the way. Same with the top one. Make sure, give it a sec before you open it on like I did because the pressure will burn. Grab it by the front wheels and just drain the water out. Pick it up if you need. Make sure to get every last drop out because it will rust your boiler. Once you think you got it all out, whack it back down, put your plugs back in. Sorry, it is a bit tricky to do it single-handed while filming. A lot of my videos are poor quality, I'm sorry about that. After that, you just ouch, got a screw stuck in my foot. You're meant to wear shoes outside, kids. That's why I don't do that. Leave it outside to cool down a bit. Once you think that, you put your fire tray, metho box, whatever you call it, back into your firebox, and you leave it to cool down a minute. And then you can put it back wherever it came from, like on your shelf. Put your tools away, and that's how you shut down a mamod traction engine correctly. Sorry for my poor quality. Have a good one. Apologies for poor qualities. Hope you enjoy and hope it's useful. Leave a like and subscribe. Comment any feedback if you have any. And thank you for watching. Peace. I'm out.